Good morning. In the previous video, we learnt about matter. What is matter? Classification of matter, states of matter, how matter is made up of. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. The states of matter depend on the arrangement of the molecules. The three states of matter are solids, liquids, and gaseous. Each state has different arrangement of molecules and each state of matter has different properties. We also learnt about the properties of solids. In solids, the arrangement of molecules are very tightly packed. There is no gap between the molecules, or the gap is very less between the molecules in solids. That's why they have definite shape and definite volume. The attraction between the molecules is very less, so the molecules of solids cannot float. We also learnt about mass. What is mass and definition of mass? Mass means the amount of matter contained in an object is called its mass. Today we are going to learn about molecules, properties of liquids, properties of gases, change of states of matter, interchangeable property, solutes, solvent and solution. Let us learn about one by one in detail. About molecules of a substance, movement of molecules, intermolecular space, force of attraction. Molecules of a substance differ from another molecule of another substance. For example, a molecule of a common salt is different from a molecule of sugar. Movement of molecules. Scientists found that the molecules of matter never still. They go on moving. They knock against each other all the time. Intermolecular space. The space between the molecules is called intermolecular space. Force of attraction. Molecules are attracted towards each other by electrical force. Let us learn about the properties of liquids. Shape of liquids, space occupied by liquids, arrangement of molecules in liquids, force of attraction between the molecules in liquids. Shape of liquids. Liquid is the state of matter that has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Space occupied by liquids. Liquids occupy definite shape. Hence, liquids have definite volume. Water, oil, milk, juices are some common liquids. Arrangement of molecules. In liquids, the molecules are arranged loosely comparatively with the solids. That's why they can flow from higher level to lower level. Force of attraction. The attraction between the molecules in liquids is very less comparatively with the solids. To understand the properties of liquids, let us do a simple activity. Take three different shapes and sizes of container. Pour water in all the three containers and observe. You will observe that the water takes the shape of the container. For example, when you pour water in cup, the water appears like the shape of a cup. Same, if you pour water in a glass, the water appears like the shape of the glass. If it is kept in beaker, it appears like the shape of the beaker. By this experiment, we understood that water is a liquid which occupies the space in the container and which poses the shape of the container in which it is kept. Let us learn about the properties of gases. Shape and volume of gases, space occupied by gases, arrangement of molecules in gases, force of attraction between the molecules of gases. Shape and volume of gases. Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Space occupied by gases. Gases spread to fill up the entire space available in a container. Arrangement of molecules. The molecules are very loosely packed in gases. There is more intermolecular space. Force of attraction. Attraction between the molecules is very less. That's why they can move around freely, they can flow easily, and they can spread to occupy the entire space available. For example, when we fill air in a football, it occupies entire space inside it. To understand the properties of gases, let us do a small activity. Take an incense stick and light it. Try to catch hold the fumes. Is it possible? No. Keep it in one corner of the room and observe. You will observe that the smell spreads entire room quickly. It proves that gases spread as fast as possible. In the same way, when we will use room freshener, it also spreads as fast as possible in the room. When we open the lid of a perfume bottle for a fraction of seconds, it spreads as fast as possible entire the room. Due to more intermolecular space, gases can flow in any direction, downwards, upwards, sideways.